Mike Hughes here. I'm into diving into Indonesia, and I'm here with Kai. And you're going to tell us a little bit about diving there?
Yep, well, Indonesia is a wonderful, wonderful location. I know it's a little bit far away, but you've got to go sometimes a little bit further away to get some of the best diving. I live in Ambon, which is a small island in eastern Indonesia. Over here, you fly from Jakarta. We've got lots of direct flights.
From Jakarta?
From Jakarta. And we also represent a place in Lembeh, which you can get direct flights from Singapore.
Lembeh Straits?
Lembeh Straits, yes. So Ambon, where I am, is a location that's a little bit like Lembeh. We've got incredible muck diving, but we also have another side where we have clear water diving.
Tell us more.
We've got caves, we've got swim-throughs, we've got caves with flashlight fish that come out of the back of it.
So you don't have to take your own flashlight?
You don't, no.
Perfect.
Exactly, if you can get in and out without it. We've got places where you can boil eggs at 20, or in feet, about 80 feet underwater. We hard boil eggs.
Nice.
Bubbles coming out of everywhere.
I've always wanted to do that as a diver.
You've never done it, have you? Exactly. So lovely resorts. We have swimming pool, we have spa, we have great food. Wonderful coral, amazing critters.
That would be part of those caves on the
This
back
is some
side.
of the caves, yeah, this is called Hooparilla Caves. Rhinopius, we have rhinopius throughout the year, which is one of the ultimate critters. Of course,
Gazootite.
Frogfish.
Right.
All the little critters you expect. We also, if you're incredibly lucky, have the world's rarest fish. This guy is called the psychedelic frogfish, and it's only ever been found in Ambon.
That's totally cool.
It is very cool. We don't get to see them a lot. It's if you're lucky, you're lucky. But 100% chance you will never see one unless you go to Ambon. Ambon is also known as the Spice Islands. It's where nutmeg comes from. The British swapped some of the islands close by called Banda for New York back in the day. So there's a lot of history that's tied up with it as well.
Cool.
It's a good place.
So now they have to go because this guy won't perform anywhere else.
He will not. He will not. So it's a great alternative destination if you're looking for somewhere a little bit different, but with world-class diving. Ambon is the place to go.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.